Alright, first step to put on a seatbelt. Find the seatbelt. Bring it across your shoulders and your waist. Flick it in the red. Make sure it's not like this or under your right arm. It has to be over your right arm and under your left arm.
First step to installing a car seat is to place the car seat in the seat that you would wish. Then get plenty of slack on the seat belt and stick it through the hole. Well, you don't have to have slack if you're using a tool like this, where you just push it through, which it should work, but it's not, so I'm gonna have to do it the other way. And then you have to, so once you get your slack, get it, push it all the way through as far as you can. You would get your other hand and put it through the hole, but in my case I have a cast, so I can't, so I need Jebediah's help, and he needs to grab the seatbelt and pull. Yes, sir. Do you have it?
I got it.
Now buckle it in. The next
A bit
step.
more slack.
Next step after you get the seatbelt through the car seat is to buckle it. Then make sure it is tight so it cannot wiggle a lot. It should not be able to do that. And then, Carson, over here. Without all this stuff.
Oh, come on, I don't want to buckle.
Sit down, buddy.
No.
I'm going to buckle you, don't worry. And then you have to sit down.
Oh.
Hopefully you have cooperating children, unlike us. We have little stubborn baby girls.
Come on, a baby girl. I don't like baby girl.
You have to...
We gotta
buckle your child in.
Yep.
To the car seat.
Yep. You can do that.
And there should not be...
Every 4 minutes, there's a crash on Kentucky highways. Any child under 40 inches tall must be in a child or infant seat. Any child who is under 7 years of age and is between 40 and 50 inches tall must be in a booster seat. All children over 7 years of age and over 50 inches tall must be secured in a seatbelt.
If you get pulled over for not wearing your seatbelt, it could just be a $25 fine, but your insurance rates will skyrocket.
Kentucky will pay $3 billion in taxes for car crash victims.
First step to installing a car seat is to place the car seat where you want it to go. Then you get plenty of slack on the seat belt and you stick it through the hole to the other side, which you would get your other hand like this and get it, but I can't, so I need Jebediah's help. And
I'm getting it.
you got it? Yep. Get you more slack. And after you get the buckle through, you then buckle it in. Then make sure it's tight so it can only wiggle about that. And then next is putting the child in the car seat. Child, get over here. Today, We will be back momentarily.
Gosh darn it, that just messed up the whole video. Wait, Carson's over there.
Let's go. First step to installing a car seat is to put the car seat right here where you want it. And then you get plenty of slack on the seat belt and push it through the hole to the other side where there is a hole. And you would put your other arm into the other hole, but I can't. So I get Jebediah's help, and he now has the buckle. So I'm going to give him a little more slack. So since it's already through, you can now buckle it into place. Then you have to tighten it so it can only wiggle a little bit. Then next is putting your child in the car seat. Carson, get up here. Carson.
Don't poke me.
Oh, you're getting buckled.
Fine, I'm not in this.
No, it's okay. I'll give you $1. Get up. Come on, I'll give you $1 when we get home. I'll buy you a toy. Sit down. Sit down and write.
No!
Yeah.
Please.
Okay, you'll get D after you just sit down, right? Okay. This is gonna take 5 minutes. Just can you sit down, right, please?
No!
Yeah.
No!
Oh,
Please, Carson.
Carson, come on.
please, Carson.
No!
We kinda.
Carson, I said I'd give you $100. I got it in my pocket.
Oh, man. He's gonna give you
I'll give
$100.
you that.
Carson, come on.
You know what you can buy with
Okay,
$100?
new tape.
Yeah. I'm getting pulled over. They're trying to pull us over.
I think we're getting pulled over. Oh my god.
Let me just trying to pull us over. Guys, got your
We got
seatbelts
our
on.
seatbelts on. She doesn't have her seatbelt on.
I'm gonna have to ask you to step out of the car.
And you! And you too!
Yeah, get the one with the green shirt. I saw him
Out of the car.
Out of the car! Go!
You get up. My socks are all wet now.
Come on! Let's go!
Ma'am, we're gonna have to take you into custody.
Okay, sir.
Follow us. Well, you can stay here.
Oh, I couldn't stay.
We'll give you a fine, and we'll have to pay
You
that
too! You too!
at the courthouse. The first step to installing a car seat is putting the car seat where you want it to be. Next, you get some slack on the seat belt, then stick the buckle through the hole. Wait. Have to stick the buckle through the hole all the way to the other side where there is another hole where you would either grab it with your other hand or have someone else grab it, which we are currently having trouble with right now. Gotta get a lot of slack on it. this can be quite a hassle.
You want to use my phone if this dies?
Sweet Lord.
A crash occurs every 4 minutes on a Kentucky highway. Any child under 40 inches tall must be in a child or infant seat. Any child who is under 7 years of age and is between 40 and 50 inches tall must be in a booster seat. All children under 7 years of It's the same fact.
Dude, you gotta take